Get ready to fight somebody's son with me. Just kidding, don't wake up and choose violence, choose me. Just kidding, don't pick me either. Before workouts, I love using this Caudalie foaming wash. It's super gentle and washes off super easily. I like to go in with a very light routine because I usually get coffee or food after. The gym has really big windows, so I always apply SPF. I won't shut up about this deodorant, it's the only clean one that works. We spend a lot of time on the mat, I always moisturize my elbows. Honestly, I have no idea what I'm doing here, I just have a lot of fun, knowing that if I needed to, I could mess somebody up. Just kidding, I'm only using these moves if any of my broke exes come around asking for money again. If you're any of my broke exes watching this, are you embarrassed? You don't need to protect me, protect me. We stopped in for a croissant. I make the best matchas and I lied again, I got a bagel. Because I wore an SPF, I'm gonna start with a cleansing oil and follow up with my cellar water to cleanse my base. The instant detox mask takes 5 minutes. While I let that sit, I also like to double cleanse my hella dry scalp with the Caudalie hair and body oil. I gently remove the mask with a sea moss sponge and then cleanse before showering. Use this mask once a week for best results. Because the weather's been super dry, I also use this hydrating moisture mask after showering. I'm gonna get to bed early and use this as a sleeping mask, so I'm wiping off the excess and finishing off my routine. These are the body products that I use. Deodorant works best at night, and this one is really good for reapplication. Like this video if you're hot.